Jestem przed gamingowym klubem w Leeds. Jest to klub, w którym można wynająć sobie miejsce na komputer z dowolną grą. Można przyjść wziąć udział w turnieju, który jest ogłaszany w internecie. I właśnie w tym klubie jest mój syn, który gra w turnieju Tekkena najnowszego. I chcę wam ten klub pokazać, gdyż przyjechałem tutaj po mojego syna, żeby go odebrać. No, wygląda na to, że bawi się dobrze, Także zaraz wam pokażę, jak ten klub wygląda. Naprawdę wygląda ciekawie, muszę wam przyznać. Teraz to są imprezy.
Nice one, yeah.
Please tell me about the story of this place. So what is this only club or this is only tournaments?
So yeah, basically we opened 2 years ago. There used to be a different gaming bar in Leeds. It's kind of like the follow-on from that. So we're an independent company. We host regular gaming tournaments. We get people in all the time to just game, have a drink, have a good time.
So it's possible to come in here renting on this place on per hour or?
Yeah, so our typical gaming consoles is £8 an hour and you can rent out a PS5 or an Xbox or a Switch. We also have some free gaming tables, and for bigger groups we hold events, regular tournaments for things like Tekken and
Okay.
yeah, there are a few games, yeah. We hold regular tournaments.
Alright. Very nice place.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
I liked it.
Fantastic.
From Pakistan. Pakistan. So yeah, I'm feeling good, feeling happy, and I'm gonna win next time as well.
No to widzicie, mamy tutaj nowego czempiona Tekkena.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. I only know a little bit of Polish though, very, very small amount. Because I went to Poland to play in a tournament, you know, Tekken, so I learned very, very small amount. So I can say something like, myjemy się Poznań?
Poznań.
Yeah,
Poznań.
Yeah.
Kraków?
I don't know.
No, it's Kraków City.
Yeah. It was in Krakow, yeah. I know how to say, jak masz na imię?
Jak masz na imię, tak?
Yeah, that's about it, just the basics, and shek, which just means thank you.
But I don't know speak Urdu.
Yeah. But I only learned because when I went to Poland I wanted to speak a bit so they could understand me a bit better. But everybody speaks English there. They were all speaking English, so
Yeah.
it was good. But yeah, I'm very, very happy, Thank
No
you,
i
thank you.
widzicie, mamy nowego mistrza Tekkena.
Hell yeah,
Mamy
hell yeah.
nowego mistrza Tekkena. Chłopak jest z Pakistanu, mieszkał w Bradford, także twój chłop, że tak powiem.
Myjemy się Poznań.
Pozdrawiam Poznań. I Kraków też. Kraków też pozdrawiam. Don't go
Yeah. Thank you.
To tyle z tej relacji. Trzymajcie się, na razie, cześć.